Hey, this is Corey. I'm on a bicycle in Florence. And there's Ruth. Ruth, say hi.
Oh, what's up?
Yeah.
First bike ride.
First bike ride, first day trip of spring term. 08. What up? First bike ride. 14 years old lady. Corey out.
You know, I told you, the first
There you go. Good boy.
everybody ignored it.
Good boy. Oh my goodness.
Hey folks, it's Corey here. I don't know if you can hear me, I'll get a little closer, but I'm on the Oregon coast in Florence. I just met a guy named Marcel at the bars. I had a pina colada, and Ruth and I are just enjoying like this lovely Saturday because it's so nice here. And it's about friendship, remembrance, and feeling the love. Corey out.